Well, hello friends, and welcome back. And if you're new, I welcome you with open arms. Guys, I encourage you to subscribe to because today I'm super excited about a new group that I'm so honored to be a part of, and it's called the Daughters of Destiny. And guys, we are going to be doing an open invite to kick off our first collaboration. And guys, I'm so excited. My wonderful co-hosts are first, the pretty and gracious Gigi Faison of For the Love of the Core. We also have the beautiful and always effervescent Debbie Bubbles. She's wonderful. And of course, the gorgeous and very versatile Shawnee on the Spot. And also Miss K from Creating with Miss K, and she is our diva of our group. Last but not least, me, Lady Cinnamon. Just me. So guys, we are the Daughters of Destiny, and that's a like-minded group of creators who are here to encourage, uplift, positive, and inclusivity by supporting each other in their destinies while fulfilling our own, guys. So guys, our first theme is thankful, grateful, and blessed. We want you to please style Tablescape, a coffee table, or a vignette with one or all of the words thankful, grateful, and blessed. You can do a DIY, but it is optional. Please tell us what makes you thankful, grateful, or blessed, and use the hashtag thankful, grateful, blessed 2020. The upload date is Sunday, November 8th, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please be on time. And we also ask that you please follow YouTube Etiquette, and I will include all of the details in the description bar below. So guys, everyone is welcome to participate. Thank you so much in advance for participating and watching this video to the end, and I'll see you soon.